Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Have you ever moved to a new apartment and needed to speak English?
Do you know how to ask about rent, rooms, furniture, and utilities in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a long and natural English conversation about moving to a new apartment.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills through real-life conversations.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily.
You look excited today.
I am.
What's the good news?
I'm moving to a new apartment next month.
Really? Congratulations.
Thank you.
Why are you moving?
My current apartment is too small.
I see.
I also want to live closer to my workplace.
That makes sense.
Today, I'm going to look at a new apartment.
Can I come with you?
Of course.
Great. What are you looking for?
I want a one-bedroom apartment.
Anything else?
I'd like a quiet neighborhood.
Good idea.
I also want a kitchen and a balcony.
That sounds nice.
My budget is around $700 per month.
I think we can find something.
I hope so.
Are you nervous?
A little.
Don't worry.
I've never rented an apartment by myself before.
You'll do fine.
Thanks for coming with me.
You're welcome. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You must be Paul.
Yes, that's me.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Would you like to see the apartment?
Yes, please.
This way.
Wow.
It's beautiful. This is the living room.
It's bigger than I expected.
The apartment has one bedroom, one bathroom, and a kitchen.
That's perfect.
The windows are very large. Yes, the apartment gets plenty of sunlight.
I like that.
Here's the bedroom.
It's very comfortable.
And the closet is large.
That's important.
This is the kitchen.
I enjoy cooking.
Then you'll like this kitchen.
I already do.
What about the balcony? Right this way.
Wow, the view is amazing.
I agree.
I can imagine drinking coffee here every morning.
Many tenants enjoy the balcony.
How much is the rent?
It's $700 per month.
That's within my budget.
That's good news.
I'd like to ask a few questions.
Of course.
Are utilities included?
Water is included.
What about electricity?
You'll pay for electricity separately.
I understand.
Is internet service available? Yes, high-speed internet is available.
Great.
Is parking available? Yes, one parking space is included.
Excellent.
Is the apartment furnished? Partially furnished.
What furniture is included?
A bed, a sofa, a dining table, and a refrigerator.
That's very helpful.
How much is the security deposit? 1 month's rent.
Okay.
Are pets allowed? Small pets are allowed.
I don't have any pets.
That's fine.
I really like this apartment.
Me too. Would you like to rent it?
Yes, I would.
Wonderful.
What should I do next?
Please read and sign the rental agreement.
Okay.
Take your time.
Everything looks good.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Please sign here.
Done.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your new apartment.
I'm so excited.
Now comes the hard part.
What's that?
Moving all your things.
Oh no, you're right.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily.
Today's the big day.
Yes, I'm moving into my new apartment.
How are you feeling?
Excited and a little tired.
Did you pack everything?
I think so.
How many boxes do you have?
Too many.
Really?
I didn't realize I had so many things.
That's normal when moving.
The moving company will arrive soon.
That's good. Good morning.
Good morning. Are these all your boxes?
Yes, they are.
We'll load them into the truck.
Thank you. Do you need help?
Yes, please.
I'll carry some smaller boxes.
Thank you.
What's in this box?
Books.
Wow, that's heavy.
I know.
What about this one?
Kitchen supplies.
Okay. Everything is loaded.
Great. Let's go to your new apartment.
I'm so excited. We finally made it.
Yes.
The apartment looks even better today.
I agree.
Where would you like us to put the furniture?
Please put the sofa in the living room.
Okay,
And the bed goes in the bedroom.
no problem. Where will you put the dining table?
Near the kitchen.
That sounds good.
Thank you.
Everything is finished.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. What should we do first?
Let's unpack the boxes.
Good idea.
Can you help me with these books?
Of course.
I want to set up the kitchen today.
Do you have internet service yet?
Yes, the technician came this morning.
Excellent.
I also need to buy a few things.
Like what?
Curtains, lamps, and some plants.
Plants will make the apartment look beautiful.
That's what I was thinking.
I really like your balcony.
Me too.
You can relax there after work.
Exactly.
Knock knock.
Who's that?
Maybe it's your neighbor.
I'll check. Hello?
Hello.
I'm Sarah. I live next door.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
This is my friend Emily.
Hello.
Welcome to the building.
Thank you very much.
If you need any help, please let me know.
That's very kind of you.
There is a grocery store and a bus stop nearby.
That's helpful.
Do you enjoy living here?
Yes, it's a quiet and friendly neighborhood.
That's exactly what I wanted.
I'm glad.
Thank you for visiting.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Your neighbor seems very nice.
I agree.
How do you feel now?
Very happy.
What did you learn today?
I learned many new English words.
Excellent.
Apartment.
Very good.
Furniture.
Perfect.
Deposit.
Great.
Neighbor.
Wonderful.
I'm excited to start my new life here.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're always welcome. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for renting and moving to a new apartment.
You learned how to ask about rent, furniture, utilities, neighbors, and moving services.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence aloud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, and happy English learning.